Innovation Filter System, my company, provides solution to remove zinc phosphate sludge from the phosphating bath. In this video, let us try to understand what the benefits of using such a system are. The benefits of using Innovation Filter Systems zinc phosphate sludge separator are the following. First of all, it eliminates tedious and time consuming cleaning process of the phosphate tank. Second, it improves heat transfer during the coating process because there is no sludge buildup in the phosphate tank. Third, it eliminates the use of any filter media. So there is no operational costs involved in our sludge separator. Fourth, the system itself requires very less monitoring. It is automated system. It offers the lowest maintenance cost in the industry. Now, because of the side effect of all these benefits is that the zinc phosphate life or the phosphate bath life is maximized. It reduces the waste disposal cost because it removes the sludge as soon as it is formed. You don't have to wait till a huge amount of sludge is built up and then you have to discard it. Hence, it reduces the pollution and environmental impact as well. By continually and adequately separating the zinc phosphate particles, the manufacturers ensure a smooth and efficient process. Perfect chemical balances and temperatures are maintained, leading to a very efficient zinc phosphate process. I sincerely hope you learned something new about the zinc phosphating process today. If you would like to know more about this process, please mention it in the comments below. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, Think Filter. Thank you.